Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a video about coffee. This is my version of the Starbucks drink. We're going to be making an iced pumpkin spice macchiato. So you're just going to brew your espresso how you normally would. I will leave an espresso machine that you can use if you would like and you're looking for one. I will leave it down below. All right, so while we have our coffee brewing, this is the time that I like to gather all of my supplies and get started on the pumpkin sauce. I love the smell of fresh brewed espresso in the morning. It just wakes me up, especially for fall time. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and grab a skillet. I'm also going to grab some 100% pure pumpkin puree. I'm going to use half of the can. You can use as much as you would like, as less as you would like, but this is just something that I do because I want it to last all week. Then I'm going to use some sweetened condensed milk. Again, you can use the unsweetened version and then sweeten it up to your liking. However, I prefer the sweetened because I don't have to go in and sweeten it up as much. And I'm also going to use half a can of this. And I'm also going to go in after I pour this in, and I'm going to add a cup of water to it. And this is going to thin it out so that when we're mixing it, everything blends softly and it's not a super thick sauce. You want to make sure that your fire is not high. You want it to be low to medium low. Now I'm going to pour in a half a cup of white sugar and then a fourth a cup of brown sugar. Add a little cinnamon, and then as you can see, it's starting to simmer. We're going to just go ahead and mix this all together, and we want to make sure it is nice and smooth with no chunks. You're going to cook this for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then after you cook it, we're going to put this in the refrigerator to chill. All right, so this part is optional. However, it makes me storing this product a little bit easier and less messy. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour this into a measuring cup so that I can transfer it into my storing container to go into the refrigerator. All right, so this is the container that I was telling you about that I'm going to store it in for it to chill. I'm not going to pour all of it in there because I do want to use some for my coffee. However, it is best to use this sauce when it is chilled. I just was very impatient and could not wait because I needed a good start to my morning. So let's go ahead and make this iced pumpkin spice macchiato. You're going to go ahead and pour the sauce in that is chilled. Chill it, chill it, chill it. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 4 pumps of vanilla and then 4 pumps of hazelnut sauce. And this is the sugar-free sauce, so there is no added sugar. And then I'm also going to add some oat milk. This is the original one, not vanilla, not unsweetened, just the plain oat milk. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a sprinkle, a spritz of the creamer from Starbucks. And this is the pumpkin spice latte, just like very, very little because it is already sweetened. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my ice cubes. to the drink. Make it nice and cold, especially since I was impatient. I probably should have added some more ice to it. And I'm going to top it off with the espresso. And you know you did the espresso right, or the drink right, when you have a nice even split. Just a perfect fall drink. So this is my twist on the Iced Pumpkin Spiced Macchiato with the pumpkin sauce from Starbucks, my version of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next. Bye.